Okay. Now I know how.
Look.
Now I can see it.
Mm-hmm.
Now I can
Okay,
do
it's
it.
on the tilt and the white spots.
Okay. Okay, let me go.
Mm-hmm.
You keep telling me what to do, you're gonna end up doing it, John.
I know.
Not kidding, John.
I know.
Ah! Shit, my foot. Okay. Yay. Okay.
See? We get close-up view.
Really?
Yes.
Oh,
How to do this
really?
correctly.
Let me
Yes. See, for the viewers at home, this is how you...
This is how you hang picture.
Yes.
It's like screw a light ball with 3 people. One over
Yes.
the other.
Ouch. Okay.
Not yet.
Yes.
Not
See?
Let me see.
Okay. Ow.
Okay.
Okay.
Voila. It's beautiful.
Yes. It is way off now.
This is how we made it. That's how we made it.
Yes.
Let me see. I think this is too high. Let's see.
Let's see how that goes there.
See?
Yes.
High, low, high,
Uh-huh.
low. Crap. I'm gonna took there. Better behave. Otherwise, I'm gonna really draw a line on
I
that.
know.
Now, better be straight. That 3 times is a charm, okay? I have to put this up 3 times, 3 or 4, John.
Mhm. Yes.
Okay.
Now,
That's all done. Thank you.
yeah, you missed the white spots, but that's okay. It's
okay.
good enough.
It's still crooked.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. It's still crooked.
It's still crooked.
It's still crooked.
It's okay.
It's still crooked. Oh my.
Okay, do a ta-da. Get closer.
Ta-da. Okay. Wait a minute.
Yes. Voila. You don't have.
Voila! It's still crooked.
Okay, we in there.